Welcome to Dyna-ort by Orleman, the new range of exciting paediatric dynamic ankle-foot orthoses. The Parrot Open-Back Ankle-Foot Orthoses is a new addition to the Dyna-ort range. This style includes an open-back design which allows for a more fluid, dynamic ankle-foot movement. This can be controlled thanks to the top strap, which is elasticated and can be positioned to be posterior and anterior for full control, or can be trimmed to be just posterior. This allows to help navigate things such as stairs and will help with inclines and declines. Medial-lateral stability is improved thanks to the high superior trim lines, and the two Velcro straps across the instep help with hindfoot and midfoot control. Due to its slimline nature, it means that this is easier to fit into footwear when compared to your bespoke options.